Up tonight at 6:30, new mapping offers some sobering evidence of flash flood danger below the Spring Creek wildfire burn scar.
It prompted a community meeting in the small town of La Vida. In News 5's Bill Folsom, he sat down with the town mayor to learn more about what the mapping shows. He is back in studio tonight. Bill.
Yeah, the mapping looks at multiple rain scenarios, yearly storm rain totals that happen every few years, and worst case scenario rainfall. The mayor said a frank community conversation is needed for all possibilities. A fire that threatened the community of La Vida this past summer leaves behind a flash flood risk threatening for years.
Above the town of La Vida right now, there's about 50,000 acres of burnt ground that if we get any significant moisture on, the water is going to come and come fast.
Nearly 70% of the forested area above the town scorched. A lot more water will now run off instead of absorb. 10 to 15 times more water heading toward town.
We really think that we're going to have some out-of-the-bank flows on an annual basis.
Mapping just completed by federal natural resource conservation experts shows the risk. Worst case scenario is a 100-year storm, around 4 inches in a flash flood. The water covers half the town. This map shows a storm with a 50-50 likelihood of happening of just less than 2 inches from a storm. And this map shows a storm that will happen, the kind recorded almost every year with 1.5 inches of rain. Best case, there are at least 20 houses in danger.
Based on the calculations, if and when that rain occurs, the town of La Vida will have about 1 hour to evacuate.
It's why community meetings are happening to impress on everyone the need to prepare long before any storms.
There's going to be areas that are underwater in the town of La Vida, and there's going to be depth and velocity of the water moving that could be catastrophic for homes.
The mayor is concerned about now until mid-November when the freezing temperatures lower the flood risk. Then through the winter, work will happen on a more comprehensive plan to be in place by mid-April when flood risk jumps back up.